So, girl, I'm once again down on my knees scrubbing a damn toilet like it's the Holy Grail. Hair looking like I lost a fight with humidity, uniform hanging on for dear life. And in the background, you hear, Mama, I'm hungry. Now I'm trying to wipe piss off porcelain while raising the damn Brady Bunch. Kids running in circles like they auditioning for NASCAR. Laundry looking like it grew legs and walked out the basket, and that sink? Oh, that bitch been running over since the 9-9 in the 2000s. Then the client got the audacity to call my ass back like, excuse me? You missed a spot on the baseboard. Bitch, the baseboard? Out of this whole goddamn apartment, you talking about a strip of wood nobody even looks at? Ain't nobody ever come in a house like, girl, your floor's nice, but that speck on the baseboards? Huh, tragic. But I can't say what I want to say. No, I gotta hit him with that fake customer service smile like, no worries, I'll take care of it. Meanwhile, in my head, I'm screaming, take care of it. Bitch, I will take care of it all right. So I gets home. Body broke. Soul broke. I'm so tired, I'm sitting on the bed like one shoe on, one shoe off, staring at the wall like the wall gonna explain life to me. And the kids come in again talking about, Mama, what's for dinner? I said, huh, not a damn thing. Y'all better eat cereal, chips, or air sandwiches. Mama is off duty tonight. And then, that's when I saw it. Commercial popping up on my laptop all bright and shiny. Join Tenacity Academy today. And my friend been telling me, girl, you need to join and quit playing. So I looked around at my life like, fuck it. I ain't got nothing else to lose but this last nerve. And let me tell you, shit changed quick. Since I joined, now I'm sitting up in bed in pajamas, sipping coffee, laptop dinging, booking, payment. I went from scrubbing toilets to running shit like a CEO. No more mop in my hand. I'm the boss now. My cleaner's got the mops. I ain't cleaning no damn baseboards. I'm inspecting baseboards like, yeah, y'all missed a spot. See, that's the beauty of it. I ain't just a cleaner no more. I'm a cleaning business owner. The business ain't running me. I'm finally running the business. And baby, that is what I call tenacity.